Is your TCL phone slow or unresponsive? A hard reset might be the solution. In this video, we'll show you 3 easy ways to reset your TCL phone and fix common issues. Let's dive in. Part 1. How to hard reset TCL phone via MobiKin eraser for Android worry-free. MobiKin eraser for Android wipes data from your TCL phone permanently. Connect your device, select low-level erase, and the software will sanitize the storage. How can I hard reset a TCL phone via MobiKin eraser for Android? Follow these steps. Install MobiKin eraser, connect your TCL phone via USB, enable USB debugging if prompted, and click Erase once the phone is recognized. Select your preferred security level and confirm by entering Delete in the designated field. Click Erase to initiate the deletion of all data from your TCL phone. Once done, conduct a factory reset on your TCL phone. To eliminate all system data and settings, follow the instructions, and after the reset is completed, click Continue to permanently remove all data from the device. Part 2. How to hard reset a TCL phone from settings. Open Settings on your TCL phone. Tap System and select Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset to begin the reset process. Tap Reset Phone in the confirmation window. Tap Reset Phone again to confirm and start the factory reset. Part 3. How to hard reset TCL in recovery mode 5 cases. Case 1. Power plus volume up. Turn off. Hold power plus volume up. Release it logo. Reset and reboot. Case 2. Power plus volume up. No command. Turn off. Hold power plus volume up. Press volume up at no command. Reset and reboot. Case 3. Power plus volume down. Turn off. Hold power plus volume down. Release it logo. Reset. Case 4. Power plus volume up. Boot mode. Turn off. Hold power plus volume up. Select Recovery Set. Case 5. Volume up plus volume down plus power. Turn off. Hold power plus volume up plus volume down. Reset.